Guide you through how to create a newsletter with Mailchimp. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Mailchimp website and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to sign up by clicking on the Sign Up Free button and follow the prompts to create an account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Campaigns tab located in the left sidebar. Click on Create Campaign and then select Email as your campaign type. Now you'll be asked to choose between a regular email or automated email. For a newsletter, you'll typically choose regular. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a campaign name. Choose a name that will help you easily identify the newsletter later. Now you'll need to select your audience. Click on Add Recipients to choose the list of contacts who will receive your newsletter. You can also segment your list if you want to target a specific group of people. After selecting your audience, click Add From to set up the sender details. Ensure the sender name and email address are correct, as this is what your recipients will see. Then it's time to craft your subject line. Make it engaging to encourage people to open your newsletter. Now, click on Design Email to start building your newsletter. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates to choose from. Pick one that suits your style or start from scratch. Use the drag-and-drop editor to add text, images, and other elements. Customize the layout to match your brand and message. Once you're happy with your design, click Save and Close. Before sending, always preview and test your email to ensure everything looks perfect. Mailchimp allows you to send a test email to yourself or a colleague. When you're ready to send your newsletter, click Send or schedule it for a later time. That's it. You've just created a newsletter with Mailchimp. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.